welcome children to the exercises of exercise 1.3, means the chapter rational and irrational numbers. We have done about the decimal expansions of rational numbers. I have explained all these things regarding that. Now let us do the first question and see. The first question is locating root 10 on the number line. Again, how to locate root 10? Root 10 will be what? Root 10 is basically root 3 square plus 1, means 3 square plus 1 square. This way you have to do it. Already you know. Now see here how to do here. Make the base little bit longer. So we'll take the base. We'll take a right angle triangle so that the base is how much? 3 units is the base and 1 unit is the height. Here this will be 0, A and B. So AB will be 1 unit. This is a right angle triangle. So this will be root 10. Okay. That's the plan of action. I will construct things. Okay. So that way we will go for it. And someone may draw 1 as unit as the base. But I will say one thing, that going with base as a bigger base is better, because that way your arc will also land properly there. So go with the base, which is like, see, questions are like in which numbers are like root 10 is there. Then one more is there in your same question exercise only. That is root 17. Root 17 is what? 4 square plus 1. So drawing the unit perpendicular is comparatively easier. So let's see here. So first of all, what we'll do? We'll draw a number line. Mark a 0 somewhere. And see, the base of the triangle has to be 3 units. So again measure 0 to 1, equal distance 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. Then you got -1 and -2. Only keep in mind that this should be what? Equal distance. Okay. Whatever you take in 1 unit, you take between 0 and 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter, up to you. We have discussed that in the class itself. Now see, draw a triangle and the base should be what? 3 units. So just overwrite here. Make it bold only. Okay, I am doing it bold so that you can understand. O, this is A. So is O equal to 3 units? Yes, this. Then wherever 3 has come, there only construct a perpendicular using a projector. That means construct 90 degree here. So this will be what? How much? 90 degree. Then what? See, we have to draw perpendicular. It should be, what the length should be? 1 unit. Now you can take your compass or you can use scale only from this point. That means from A, measure 1 unit. Wherever 1 unit comes, mark that. And mark that point as B. This is 1 unit. This is 3 units. Okay. So this is 1 unit, this is 3 units. What we'll do next? Next is that only which remains is construct joining the O and B. That means now we'll join O to B, and see here, this will be what? 4. So join with the scale using O to B. So you can join using the scale. not a very proper one. Anyway, you have to join O2B, that is, you know, you follow that. Whatever way you join it. Okay, that is the thing. Once you have joined it, again, take the pointed portion of compass at O and stretch the other portion till B. Okay, so this represents, OB represents your what? Root 10. OB represents under root 10. What you will do? Measure the length from O to B, arc length, keep the pointed portion at O and the pencil portion at B, and then draw a broken arc passing through B such that it comes like this. The point where it strikes, name that point as C. Name that point as C. And what you write there? That means this, that point C on the number line is basically what? That point C on the number line is your root 10. You can write here under root 10. Clear? The arc might not be as proper as it should have been, but the method is like this only. Okay? Is that clear to all? That's the plan of action of doing things. And thus we write here, later we write here thus. We will write here as, we will write thus, C represents, thus C on the number line, represents under root 10. Okay. And what you write? You write as, see, OB equal to OC, as OB equal to OC equal to root 10. This much only is required. Lot of things are there in the short example they are mentioned. Only thing is that you can draw this triangle and show here how this you will be able to get that. Okay. So then add, draw perpendicular, all these things what I am saying, these things need not be written, only draw that line only. That itself is the thing. Another part is what? Representing root 17 on the number line. How to do that one? First question itself, one more part they are saying. They are saying that represent root 17 on the number line. Root 17. How can we represent root 17? Again, I'm writing 10 only. Root 17 is basically under root of 4 square plus 1 square. That means the right angle triangle that we draw will have what? 4 units as the base, 1 as the height, right angle triangle, 4 plus 16. This will be root 17 OAB. This is plan of action. This way you have to draw it. Yes or no? So what will you do then? You will take a, draw a number line. Okay. Then mark a 0 somewhere. then add some distance, mark -1, then what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now see, our base is 4 units. So what you will do then? Now what you will do? You will do is mark the base. Length of base is 4 units. So this is point O, this is point A, and you can just highlight it little bit thicker. And then on the point 4, construct a perpendicular, and from the base of, means from the point A only, measure how much? Measure unit distance. Measure. This should be 1 unit only. Wherever 1 unit comes, mark a dot there or mark an arc there and name that point as B. Now what you will do? You just join O and B together. And then what happens? Then what you will do? You will do is measure the length O to B. So keep the pointed portion of compass at O and the pencil portion at B, and then keeping the pencil, once you have measured the length of the arc, keeping the pointed portion at O and passing through B, draw a broken arc. Okay, so this portion will call this point as C or whatever name you can give it, and this is basically root 17. This mark here root 17. So you can write here as OB equal to OC equal to root 17. So point C on the number line represents root 17. Okay, so some people had asked also, I think so I gave as a assignment question also. I hope it must be clear to many of you now. Then question number 2 says, write the decimal expansion of each of the following and say what kind of decimal expansion it has in each case. Question number 2, first part. It says, write the decimal expansion. So first part is 36 by 100. Whenever you write a decimal expansion, first of all check that they must be in the form of P by Q, and that P by Q must be in the simplest form. Is it in the simplest form? No, it is not. So write it like 4 times 36 and 4 times 100. Now it is in the simplest form? Yes, it is. Then write 25 is equal to 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 2. Okay? So write here as the denominator can be expressed in the form of 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m and n are whole numbers so 36 by 100 will have a terminating decimal expansion. decimal expansion. Okay, terminating decimal expansion. Expansion has been written. X is not visible there. Okay, terminating decimal expansion. Something more they're saying. They're saying write the decimal expansion. So write the decimal expansion. What is the meaning of decimal expansion? Whenever it says write the decimal expansion, what you will do basically? You have to basically write the value of it. Okay. Here see, as the it is already decimal is means denominator is in the form of 100. So right here decimal expansion also you try. So decimal expansion of 36 by 100 so 0.36. 0.36 only with the decimal expansion of this one. Yes or no? So the question is saying two things. First of all, that determine that whether it will have a terminating decimal, means tell what kind of decimal expansion we will be having. That thing you have to determine. And then what? You have to also tell the decimal expansion of it. Okay. This much only you have to write. But please make it sure that you are expressing in the form of simplest form, and then you are doing this thing. This one part only is required here. Other questions also come in terms of similar pattern. We'll take up more questions from this exercise.